Welcome to another episode of Seat of the Pants Engineering. I am experimenting here with something called fusee chain. It's a watch chain. This is probably 100 years old. It blows me away how they can make such small things back in the day before computers and all the modern machinery that we have, but it's really cool stuff. It looks a lot like a motorcycle chain if you wanted to use it as that. Anyway, I've got this door here that I thought it would be useful for, because usually with these kind of hinges, regular wire hinge tends to interfere. So I cut two pieces there, and it looks like I'm able to make it so the door opens all right and goes into the body there at the front part all right. I can close it. It looks like, yep. Let's see if you can see it up in the front there. And then all I had to do is drill holes. Right now I'm temporarily holding it in place with regular tester cement. So anyway, that's what my plan is, using this 100-year-old fusee chain, having opening doors.